Okay, so pretend you're dating this guy and you guys have been together for a really long time and he knows all your preferences inside and out because he literally loves you so much that he pays attention to every single detail. And like this guy treats you like a queen. Like he would literally go to the ends of the earth just to see you smile. On top of that, he always has your back and he's like super loyal. So you know for a fact that this guy always has your best interests at heart. Now we're gonna pretend that you and this guy really wanna get engaged. Now here's my question to you. Would you wanna plan the proposal? Would you want to know exactly when and how this man is gonna get down on one knee and ask you to be his wife? Now you're probably looking at me like, that's the dumbest question ever. Obviously not. Okay, obviously the answer is no, but let's talk about why. The best things in life are always the ones that take you by surprise because you had no expectations and you had no dead set plan on how it was gonna unfold. Like, you know how it's always the most spontaneous plans that end up being the most fun? That's because you went into it with no plan. You were just like, cool, let's do this and see what comes of it. So if you struggle with obsessing over your manifestations, if you struggle with not knowing the when or the how, and you doubt because you don't know the when and the how, ask yourself the question of, would I want to plan my own proposal? No, I'd rather know that it's going to happen and just let myself be surprised. And your conscious mind is going to argue with you and it's going to be like, well, we're not going to believe in this manifestation because we don't know 1, 2, 3 on how it's going to get here. What's the plan? When are we going to get it? How are we going to get it? What's going to happen? The next time your brain starts talking to you like that, this is what I want you to do. Physically make this face. And this is what I want you to say. I'm being way too nosy right now. I need to mind my business. Bonus points if you do it like this. That is not my job. If you've never watched Drake and Josh, ignore that. Seriously though, you need to start training your brain to be like, whoa, we don't need to go there. Because trust me when I say the magic happens when you release all the expectations. Let the universe do its magic and surprise you. Because I promise you, you do not know the best possible way to make this thing unfold. Does not matter how hard you try or how much you try to force it or how much you try to do things to make it happen a certain way. It will never be better than how the universe could make it happen for you. Like you could get the most random, unexpected things happening to help that thing fall into place for you. But because you were so busy trying to control it, you're getting in the way. So just release the need to know. You don't need to know. The only thing you need to do is be like, this is what I want. Because just like that analogy, the universe knows everything about you. You are constantly communicating with the universe, with the quantum field, through your own energy, through your own intentions. Your entire electromagnetic field is constantly telling the universe what you want. So once you set the intentions, release the need to know exactly how it's going to happen. Because I promise you, the universe will bring it to you in the best possible way. You're welcome.